Good morning, student. Welcome back once again in your online biology class of subject science. The main subject is science, sub-subject is biology. In last previous class, student, I have discussed about the animal hormones. Hormones which are secreted by the endocrine glands, ductless glands. Some of the exocrine glands that have ducts and secrete their hormones in the ducts and goes the specific organ for the action. Okay, pancreas is the exo and endo both. Okay, so in the last previous class as I have completed, I have explained about two glands, endocrine glands and their hormone. That is pituitary gland, which is also called the master gland of all endocrine glands. Pituitary gland secretes one hormone only. This is growth hormone, but it controls the all endocrine glands and they stimulate. So each and every endocrine gland secretes the specific hormone. So all specific hormones are stimulated by the pituitary gland. Stimulated means when hormones are required by the particular organs for response, the pituitary gland secrete these particular hormones. Suppose thyroid stimulating hormone, TSH, thyroid stimulating hormones. When hormones are very low in content in the thyroid glands, then pituitary gland stimulate the thyroid stimulating hormones to secrete more thyroxine in the blood. And insulin also controlled by the pituitary gland. When the insulin is less secreted by the pancreas, then the pituitary glands stimulate it to secrete more insulin to digest the sugar in the blood. So there many hormones are found and they stimulate it. Okay. So student, today I will discuss the next endocrine gland, adrenal gland. So open your book, class 10, subject science, biology. Topic endocrine glands and their hormones. Today is adrenal. Adrenal glands, not gland. Adrenal glands. Because these are two, one pair. Conical shape found in the kidney, adrenal gland. Okay, adrenal glands located over the kidney. It is conical shape. It is two found in the kidney. Okay. So, student, generally it secretes the adrenaline hormone. Adrenaline hormones, also called 3F hormone. It is also called emergency hormones. Why? because it secrete at the situation of the environment. It secrete the according to the situation. Cold, fear, love. Cold, fear and love. Okay. When suppose any accident happen, what will be done? If you are avoid to see them or if you are able to see them. Okay. Three F means the fright, fight or flight. Okay. 3F means fright, means डर गए, फाइट उससे लड़ गए और फ्लाइट भाग गए. Suppose when you saw a snake when you are going in the way, you are just stop. Otherwise, you will go forward side and you can remove the snake from the way or kill the snake and then go to forward side or you are run away. या तो आप भाग जाएंगे. So फ्राइट डर के भाग गए, फाइट लड़ के आगे चले गए, फ्लाइट मीन्स भाग गए, कुछ नहीं करना है. So this is called the emergency hormones. Generally student, the adrenal hormones secrete 4 types of hormones in higher classes, but in the lower classes means class 10, generally adrenaline is secreted by the adrenal gland. So there are 4 hormones are secreted by the adrenal gland. I will explain it all. Adrenal glands. Adrenal gland, G-L-A-N-D. There are 2 found in the above kidney. Okay, generally what are their function at the different situation? Suppose the 4 hormones which are secreted by the adrenal gland, that is the hormones mineralocorticoid, mineralocorticoids, M-I-N-E-R-A-L, mineralo, C-O-R-T-I-C-O-I-D, C-O-I-D-S. Okay. Now second, glucocorticoids, glucocorticoids. Third, 6 hormones. Fourth, adrenaline, adrenaline, emergency hormone. Second is noradrenaline. Mineralocorticoids are generally useful in the maintenance of the sodium, potassium. Okay, sodium and potassium. So write down. So control electrolytes and water. Control electrolyte, water. Okay, mineralocorticoids. Increase blood level of sodium and water. So it is generally found in the dehydration. So mineralocorticoids secrete by adrenal glands, which is control the electrolytes, and prevent from the dehydration. And you know student, what is the target organ? That is the kidney. To function the kidney and glucocorticoids. What the response of the glucocorticoids? Glucose means glucose. Control the glucose level in the blood. So adrenal gland also raise blood glucose level. RAI, raise blood glucose level. Okay. And second, resistance of long-term stress by allergic response. Control ELER, allergic response. Okay. Glucocorticoids. So raised blood glucose level, you know student, liver is the main functioning organ which is controlled by the glucocorticoids and sex hormone. Sex hormones develop the secondary characteristics of the male and female. Okay. DEVELOP, development, responsible for the development of secondary sexual character. Secondary sexual, CHARACTER. So sex hormones is responsible for the development of the secondary sexual character. Okay, you know this is the target organ, gonads. Adrenaline, very important. Adrenaline, it is also called emergency hormone. Raise blood glucose level. Because in the emergency, very important to get the energy. So this hormone provide energy in the form of glucose. Second, rise in blood pressure. ब्लड प्रेशर में धड़कन तेज हो जाती है उस समय जनरल इंसान के लिए, अकॉर्डिंग टू द सिचुएशन. लव, फियर, वार. ओके. एंड इनिशिएट्स स्ट्रेस रिस्पॉन्स. INITIA, initiate stress response. Okay. Non-adrenaline, just opposite of the adrenaline, means the stimulate reaction. Stimulates reaction. Okay, stimulate reaction similar to those produced by adrenaline. Stimulate reaction similar to those produced by adrenaline. Stimulate means increase the reaction, not decrease. So non-adrenaline, both are very responsible hormone which are secreted by the adrenal glands. Okay. So students, there are mainly two hormones, mineralocorticoids and glucocorticoids. When the less secretion of mineralocorticoids, a disease is caused in the body. This is called addiction disease. You know, hormones are secreted by the glands. Maybe hyper, maybe hypo. Hyper means more, hypo means less. Suppose mineralocorticoids secreted by adrenal glands is hypo. Hypo secretion of mineralocorticoids. Okay, hypo secretion of glucocorticoids and mineralocorticoids means hypo secretion. What will be happen? Causes addition, ADDISION, Addison's disease. Okay, cause low blood sugar, low plasma sodium ion. Okay, so mineralocorticoid is very and glucocorticoid both are very important. When they are secreted very less, they causes addition disease. Hypersecretion no affect the situation on the body, but hypersecretion causes the addition disease, in which low blood sugar in the blood and low plasma sodium ion. Okay, you can write down, student, some points. A small but very important another endocrine glands are found just below the thyroid gland. This is called parathyroid. Parathyroid gland in neck region. Okay, where it is found? In the neck region. Neck region closed to thyroid. Okay, it is secreted a hormone. This is called parathormone. Secrete a hormone called parathormone. Okay, PARA, THORO, MON, THORMON, parathormone. It is very responsible for the secretion of the calcium. Hyposecretion. And hypersecretion. When the parathyroid gland secrete less amount of the parathormone, causes the what causes the plasma falls, leading to hypocalcemic. Means the hypoparathyroidism. Parathormone which is calcium ion concentration. Calcium ion concentration in plasma falls, leading to hypocalcemic CAL CAE calcemic tetany, hypersecretion of parathermone, calcium ion concentration, calcium ion CON concentration in plasma increases, INCR increase, causing deposition of calcium in KID kidney tubules. Okay, write down, student. Calcium ion concentration, this is mineral, it is responsible for the bone and muscles. So hyposecretion, hypocalcemic tetany, and hypersecretion of calcium, deposition of calcium in the kidney tubules causes the stone formation. Now a very small endocrine gland also found in our body. No, student, no. This is called thymus gland. Bilobed secrete, SCCRE secrete thymosin, THYMO, thymosin. Okay. So it is generally very maximum in size in the secondary sexual character, means the starting of the puberty. Thymus gland. This is bilobe secreted by the thymus, and bilobe secrete the thymosin. Okay. No, student, where it is situated? Thymus gland generally are found in the student in between the chest, in between the found in chest region. Okay. What is the work of thymosin, student? Thymosin hormone stimulate immune system. Thymosin stimulate immune system. Present time it is very important to stimulate immune system, to generate the thymosin in the thymus gland, because we can protect us from the coronavirus COVID-19 by improving the immune system in our body. Okay, so because it promotes T lymphocyte in the body. Okay, now student, I am going to next gland, pineal gland. Pineal, pineal gland. It is found in brain, attached to epithalamus and function biological clock. Epithalamus. Okay. Act as biological clock. Secret melatonin hormone. Okay, that control moods. Okay, moods, sleeping and the sexual cycle of the individual. This is the situational hormone, biological hormone. It is habitual. It comes in our body very gradually. Okay, so don't be habitual in any this. Okay, so pineal gland, it is found in the brain, attached to the epithalamus. Act as a biological clock, secrete melatonin hormone that control mood, sleeping and sexual cycle of the individual. It is generally student natural process which is controlled by the pineal gland. Now student, I am going to your next endocrine gland discussed in the online classes. I hope you will all write some notes about this chapter. Okay, pancreas, pancreas. Pancreas is exocrine as well as endocrine gland. It is found just below the stomach and liver. Okay, so pancreas is endocrine as well as exocrine gland. Okay. There are two cells. There are two cells, alpha and beta. Okay. You know alpha cell produce glucagon, glucagon, and beta cell produce insulin, and gamma cell produce somatostatin. Okay, somatostatin. Found in Langerhans found in the Langerhans Islands. In the suppose this type of the structure, this is alpha cell, this is the beta cell, and this is the gamma cell. But most two are important. Alpha cell, beta cell, gamma cell are found in the Langerhans of the Icelands. Okay. And student, disorder of the pancreas, causes the diabetes insipidus, means diabetes. Okay. I hope your time is going to over. So write down today's homework. I will discuss in your next topic. Read about endocrine glands and their function in human. Okay, write down homework. Okay, student. Thank you. Have a nice day. Class is over.